Please welcome Jimmy Gani, President of U.S. Alumni Association, to deliver his opening remarks. Pak Jimmy, the screen is yours.
Thank you, Chief Andini. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semangat pagi. Soekarno berkata, beri aku 10 pemuda, maka akan kuguncang dunia. Hari ini adalah Hari Sumpah Pemuda, so let me first congratulate everybody dan menyampaikan selamat Hari Sumpah Pemuda. Yang terhormat Bapak Suhasil Nazara, Wakil Menteri Keuangan Republik Indonesia. Yang saya hormati Bapak Duta Besar His Excellency Rosan Roslani, Duta Besar RI untuk Amerika Serikat. Yang saya hormati Pak Cyril Nurhadi, yang saya hormati Pak Douglas Midland, Ibu Sandy Lin, Pak Jaya Wahono, Pak Ari Satria, dan tentunya terima kasih Mbak Andini Afendi yang hari ini meluangkan waktunya untuk bersama-sama kita dalam rangka webinar menuju ke atau Road to COP26 Glasgow. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Pertama-tama marilah kita bersyukur atas kehadirat Allah SWT karena berkatnya lah kita berada di tempat ini dalam rangka berkumpul untuk sama-sama merayakan Hari Sumpah Pemuda. Kemudian juga selain itu tentu seperti yang tadi Mbak Andini sampaikan, Alumnas juga bertepatan ulang tahun ke-40 pada hari ini. Jadi congratulations to all of my alumnation. And I'm very grateful to be welcome all of you. My name is Jimmy Gani, saya Ketua Umum Alumnas. Tentunya saya mengaturkan selamat datang kepada semua dalam webinar hari ini yang bertemakan Road to COP26 Glasgow. Pada tanggal 8 April 2021 kemarin, Alumnas mendapatkan satu susunan daripada kepengurusan baru, yang mana tanggal 8 April itu kita tandai dengan satu inaugurasi di Meikarta Cikarang dengan tema Advancing the Nation. And since then, it has been 6 months. So this October marks the 6th month of our kepengurusan. And for that, allow me to thank all the pengurus for having been so active in ensuring that Alumnas plays a role in advancing the nation. Untuk itu, sebelum saya lanjutkan, perkenankan saya untuk memberikan sedikit footage mengenai what we have done in the last 6 months. And actually before the inauguration, we had some preparation. So let me play this video just to show you a taste of what has transpired over the last 6 months with Alumnas. And so we started with roadshows to Pak Menhukam, to Ambassador Sun Kim, to ensure that the kepengurusan will be formed in such a way that it will make a strong Alumnas for the next 5 years. So we went to different people, including the several ministers, several former ministers, and lastly, we got the okay to sign the Anggaran Dasar, Akte Notaris, and then Zoom. We gercep, gerakan cepat. We straight away made quite a number of events, mostly virtual at that time, because we didn't have the luxury of having offline events. Seperti yang kita lihat di sini, kita ada calling for volunteers. Kita lakukan several webinars, which quite a number of people joined. We also have some religious events with Prof. Nazarudin on Easter. We also were active in health issues in education issues, in jobs issues, digitalization issues, and we also have FGDs throughout these 6 months. And if you can see here, this is our inauguration ceremony back in April 8th of 2021, and we had a hybrid event where our chairman of the advisory board, Pak Menteri Yosana Lauli, also at that time Pak Menteri Bambang Brojonegoro were present. We had a limited amount of people so that we can actually uphold the protokol kesehatan. But we had a bash at that time. We had a big also inauguration, while also limited because of the hybrid situation, the pandemic. But straight on, after that, just a week later, we started to work, and then we had met the Minister of Dalam Negeri, General Tito Karnavian, and started to donate 1 million masks to all over Indonesia. This is in Lombok. And then also we had charity programs. During Ramadan, for example, we went to 8 to 10 panti asuhan, panti reda, working together to deliver these donations from our esteemed members of the alumnus. And you see here also, we'd like to have healthy events. So we had sporting events, which will hopefully continue after this. And nggak lupa juga kita have gathering, for example, during buka puasa. Of course, we couldn't have a big gathering, so we have less than 100 people gathering in a place to celebrate the iftar during Ramadan this year. Now, we are also venturing into businesses. So a number of alumnus members went to Deputy Minister and also opened up a farm. This is the farm that we have worked on the last few weeks, and now it's starting to grow, and hopefully we will be harvesting this weekend spinach. So the pilot project is only 1 hectare, but it's going to be exciting because hopefully this is a good start for our theme of advancing the nation. So ladies and gentlemen, that's just a taste of what we have done in the last 6 months. Tentunya alumnus merasa perlu untuk terus melakukan kontribusi dalam rangka advancing the nation. We have done several FGDs thus far. Yang pertama, Future of Jobs, Digitalization and Education di bulan Mei tanggal 27, and then pembangunan infrastruktur yang efisien, inklusif, hijau dan berkelanjutan pada tanggal 10 Juni. 2 hari yang lalu kita juga berbicara mengenai langkah aksi nyata Indonesia dalam menangani dampak perubahan iklim secara berkelanjutan. And we had great panels of discussions where we hope to come up with white papers for those FGD and then put them together di dalam buku Bunga Rampai. And today we have this webinar, dan harapan kita adalah this leads to a good number of white papers that we can bring to our upcoming exciting event, Alumnus Summit, which will be held on 24th to 25th November. Karena kondisi yang memang belum memungkinkan untuk kita gather semua anggota alumnus, yang kalau kita kumpulkan sebetulnya potentially we have more than 100,000 US alumni yang aktif beberapa tahun ini, mungkin kurang lebih 2.000, dan since 6 months ago we have actually tried to put them into database yang kita harapkan teman-teman alumni Amerika Serikat sendiri yang mengisi, sehingga we have over 600 people registered by name, by address, by email, by occupation, by hobby, and so on, so that we can work with these 600 genuine members of alumnus to advance the nation. Bapak-bapak, ibu-ibu hadirin sekalian, sekali lagi saya mengucapkan terima kasih atas partisipasi bapak-bapak dan ibu-ibu, bukan aja pada hari ini, tapi juga throughout the last 6 months when we have the activities. Dan we will continue to have these activities, whether it is offline and online, and hopefully, you all will join us to in our quest to advance the nation. Demikian sambutan dari kami. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.